What has Render been up to for the last couple of weeks, especially when Bitcoin has been on a downtrend? Is Render still looking bullish? What I'm seeing here is that Render is still running within a bullish pattern. This is a falling wedge pattern I've been pointing out to you guys for as long as I can remember for the last couple of months. Okay, and this falling wedge pattern is on the weekly time frame. It basically started back in March of last year, which was basically the end of the last very good times. Okay, but could Render be seeing a bounce sometime here soon? It is very close to that bottom trend line of that falling wedge pattern here that has been holding above on for quite some time. Okay, so let's take a look into what could be happening with Render. Now, falling wedges are bullish patterns that have a higher chance of breaking to the upside. If Render breaks to the upside here, let's just say, for example, by this point, the price target would still be about over $19 for Render, which may look crazy right now, but that is what technical analysis says. Okay, you guys can verify that by measuring the opening of the pattern, and then you put that measurement on top of an estimated breakout point. Now, of course, it'll be very bearish if Render actually gets a weekly candle close, or I think the weekly time frame, or is it the monthly time frame? It's actually the highest time frame that this pattern is validated on. I would say the weekly time frame. Let's check. Yeah, I would say the weekly time frame would be the highest time frame that this falling wedge pattern is on. Just because I see at least three candle touches on each of the trend lines. So if you get a weekly candle close below this bottom trend line here, that would basically tell you that the bears have successfully invalidated this bullish pattern, and that is not good. However, let's zoom in and see if I can get any more clarity on what Render is doing. This is the 3-day time frame, and there is a double bottom here, a small double bottom here on this 3-day time frame. And double bottoms are bullish patterns that have a higher chance of breaking to the upside. The resistance for this pattern here is about almost $3 for Render. The price target for this pattern here, for this breakout here, is above $4 for Render. There is also bullish divergence on this 3-day time frame RSI. That's basically where you have an equal or lower low on the price action charts, but an equal or higher low on the RSI. That is a very effective indicator telling you that the bears are losing strength and a bounce is likely to come. Okay, so that is basically, so a few bullish signals here still. Let's see if Render can actually break out of this double bottom pattern here and potentially go towards a breakout of this bigger falling wedge pattern here. I know we've been speaking about this forever. It has not been a very straightforward bull market here, but I think if you guys have gotten this far, you guys have gotten a lot better as traders. I know I have. Um, you know, when I trading back in 2021 was completely different. Okay, it was just a straight trend. Even back on 2023. Okay, that was a straight trend, a much more straight trend. But here, there's so many twists and turns here. But if you guys have been able to get around these twists and turns, I think that would have made you guys a lot better traders. So yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing for Render. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing any more of Render by dropping a like, comment, subscribe, or any other coins in this market. I'll pick a request due for you guys on a daily basis, and I'll see you in the next one.